Introducing the 2018 Ateca 1.4 TSI 150 HP SE5 door in stunning brown. This luxurious estate vehicle is packed with comfort and safety features, making every journey a pleasure. From air conditioning to Bluetooth phone and cruise control, this car has it all. With multiple airbags, traction control, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. This vehicle has been registered new in 2018 and comes with a full multi-point health and safety check and a comprehensive warranty. It is serviced to manufacturer specification, ensuring top-notch performance. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this amazing Seat Ateca.